Sarma is a great dish for any occasion, from everyday lunch to a special dish on a festive table. To prepare the filling for sarma with meat, heat the oil in a frying pan and add the finely chopped leeks and fry for about 5 to 7 minutes. Add the rice and fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the minced meat and smoked bacon. Stir and fry for about 5 minutes. Season with ground black pepper and mixed dried vegetables, stirring well to combine. Set aside the sarma filling and leave it to cool. Take out the whole cabbage leaves and at the end of each leaf apply some of the filling. Carefully fold the sides towards the filling and wrap the mini sarma. To make sure that the sarma doesn't burn, cover the bottom of the pot or pan with chopped sauerkraut and then arrange the mini sarma. Pour water just enough to cover the sarma. Bake in a preheated oven at 150 Celsius degrees for about 1 hour. To prepare the filling for lean sarma, heat the oil in a frying pan and add the finely chopped leeks. Cook for about 5 to 10 minutes until it's soft and then add the rice, chopped button mushrooms, and chopped walnuts. Cook for about 10 minutes, then season with ground black pepper and mixed dried vegetables. Take out the whole cabbage leaves and at the end of each leaf apply some of the filling. Carefully fold the sides toward the filling and wrap the mini sarma. To make sure that the sarma doesn't burn, cover the bottom of a pot or pan with chopped sauerkraut and then arrange the mini sarma. Pour some water, just enough to cover the sarma. Bake in a preheated oven at 150 Celsius degrees for about 1 hour. Enjoy this delicious meal during the holidays. I hope you will give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out. For a lot more coming in future, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media. Have fun cooking until the next time.